Okay, let's work on rock steps. We call it cunita. For cunitas, we need to really move the hips, mostly for the ladies. Leonardo will explain for the leaders. I will go back on my right leg and show you this little move. See how I displace the hips to my right when I step back with my right foot. From here I go 2 feet together, change body weight so we can do the same now with the left leg. So I go back and feel this displacement now to my left. 2 feet together, change body weight, keeping the feet together, always upper leg together. So I'll go back and rock step. And if you notice, I'm not bringing in the front foot. The foot stays on the same point. So I go back to the front, change body weight, to step back with the left and extending a little bit the right foot so it's not moving back with me. But pay attention on the hips moves. So I go feet together, rock step, feet together, rock step. Now let's try the rock steps, the cunita moving to the front. So I have my right leg moving to the front. So I will do front step and I will do this slow so you see the hips work. Moving the hips to my right side, so on top of my right foot, and go back 2 feet together, change, to go now with my left, to rock step with the left and moving the hips to my left side. 2 feet together again. So again, like we did moving back, when I go front and I do rock steps, I'm not bringing the other leg in. So I keep it on the same point and rock step to the same point. Let me show you this from the side. So we'll do rock step, feet together. Let's go to the front with the same leg. Rock step, feet together. Rock step, feet together. Rock step and feet together. Let's do it with the left leg. I will displace to the left and pay attention on the right leg. So how we extend it and keep it on the same point. Let's go now with the left leg to the front for rock step and keeping the right leg on the same place. Rock step and feet together. One more time. Rock step together. Rock step together. Okay, follow me. We'll try to do the rock steps with a little more speed. So I go back with the right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Now let's try with the left leg going back and the left leg going to the front. Remember to move your hips, very important. Keep the shoulders in position and you have to know where is center. This is center, so every time I go for rock step, I have to go back to this point. So body weight on the right, we're going back with the left and 1 and 2, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Thanks for watching the video.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel down below.